Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Maha from Body Holiday here in St. Lucia. So today I'm going to talk about how to make a herbal tea to boost your immune system. So in India, the holistic medicine or Ayurveda, so there are a lot of herbs and ingredients which you can make herbal tea which prevents you from flu, cough or any other respiratory ailments, and also boost your immune system. So here there are a few ingredients which I'm going to show and how to make that tea. Okay, so here you can see, so there is ginger. So ginger has a specific substance, it's called gingerol, which is an anti-inflammatory, at the same time strong in antioxidant as well. So there is a specific another one which is called cinnamon, which you all know, which is a strong antioxidant. Okay, then we have a super herbs which called turmeric. So turmeric has a strong antioxidant property which has a curcumin, at the same time pepper. So the whole pepper is also antioxidant, at the same time anti-inflammatory as well. So whenever you use turmeric, to increase the absorption of curcumin, to use along with pepper, which increase the pepper has a specific substance called piperine. So the piperine increase the absorption of curcumin into 2000%, so which increase the antioxidant effect, at the same time anti-inflammatory and the antiseptic effect as well. So the next one we have is called cumin seeds. So the cumin have a specific substance which called eugenol, which is a strong anti-inflammatory, at the same time antioxidant as well, and also which is rich in flavonoids, at the same time alkaloids as well. And also we have a rhizines, which has a strong anti-inflammatory property. And the last but not the least, the cloves, which has a specific anti-inflammatory properties and also which has strong antioxidant as well. By boosting your immune system, so these are the herbs which I'm going to make the herbal tea with. Okay, let's go. Start making the tea now. So first take a pan and then pour 4 glasses of water. Okay, so the water is boiling now. So give like 3 to 4 minutes. Now I put my cinnamon. So give it for a couple of seconds. Then add your next ginger. So put like 3 to 4 slices of ginger. As I said, I'm making it for only for 2%. So 3 to 4 slices of ginger is enough. After a couple of seconds, give it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then put the next herb. So put few raisins, and also after that you can put some more cumin seeds. So now just start your seeds boiling. You can take the smell, so it's already nice and very like a pleasant smell it's coming through. So after 1 or 2 minutes of boiling, now next you add your pepper, the whole pepper, like 5 to 10 seeds of pepper is enough, since we are making it only for 2%. Now you're going to add the super herb turmeric, like half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric is enough. Now next, the last one, like a 2 or 3 piece of the cloves. So leave it for another 3 to 4 minutes of boiling after you add all the herbs. So just make it, the 4 glass of water comes into 2 glass of water. Okay, so see the water is reduced in 2 glasses. So now you take it off from the flame. So you just before you pour into the glasses, so you have to strain and then it's ready to drink. Okay. Be well, stay healthy.